Master, 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 master. Import the main video you want to be on the background. Yes, the main video. First of all, import it. After importation, then you watch it thoroughly to cut out the unnecessary part of the video. Yes, there are some parts you won't like to appear on your video. So when you're done with the cutting, you delete it, then you click on overlay to import, to add your main video. Yes, the one you remove your background, your main video. As you can see, you click on it, you add. Then after the adding, you also watch it from beginning to the end to cut out the unnecessary part. To cut it out, touch the video, you split it out, you will see option of delete, then you delete it. So when you are done with that, you look for remove BG. Yes, then you click on chroma key because we have green background here, so we are removing this green background. So you draw this chroma key to remove only green background, then you click OK, then you go back. When you are done with that, the next part now is you have to transform this video now to resize it. Click on transform, then you click on resize. You can use different aspect ratio, or you can use your hand to draw the size you want. Yes, as you can see, the position of the video is not matching with the main video, so I have to click on mirror to reposition it. So when I'm done with that, you cut out the unnecessary part again. As you can see, it's not yet clear enough. So yeah, so you have to just find the right position as you want. Yes, so that one is your choice. So when you're done with that, you click on the video again, you click on adjust, then you scroll and search for HSL so that our background will be clearly removed well. So you click on the green because we remove the green background. So you draw this arrow, all of them, you draw it to 0 to 100 minus 100, so that the background will be clearly removed. So as you can see, our background has been perfectly removed. All this thing is free, not pro. Yeah, we didn't use any pro. So when you are done with that, you rewatch it to know if there is any changes, or you keep on doing what you are doing. So because you have splitted it into different places, you have to repeat the same process in all the splits we did. Yes, so that our background will be well removed. We should have done this once and for all. Yeah, but we skipped that part. So you repeat the same process in all your splitted videos. So just draw all of them to minus 100 so that your background will be perfectly removed. It's green background. If it's yellow background, you will draw the yellow back. If it's red, then you do that. So when you are done with that, you rewatch it again to avoid much errors. So this time around, you want to, so we are still resizing it so that we get what we want again. Yeah, so after resizing and doing the transformation, so you resize and transform to your satisfaction. Yes, before you can do the rest. When shooting, make sure there was no much error on your shooting. As you can see, there's this particular green background didn't cover all the places it's supposed to be covered. so that's why it's giving us tough time. So when we are done with the resizing, so we are still resizing it and recorrecting it to get what we want. Yes, so you click on the video again, you click on it, the part you want to resize. Yes, you click on it, look for transformation. In case if you didn't get this at the first time, click on the transformation, click on resize, choose the aspect ratio, or best is to use your hand and reposition it the way you want. Yes, so that you will get what you want. So we are done with that now, the resizing and the transformation of it. So we want to make this CapCut logo less visible. Yes, the visibility of this CapCut logo, we want to make it less visible. So you click on sticker and find any sticker I want. So I'm taking this comment sticker to lessen the visibility of that logo. Yes, as you can see here, the visibility is not that much again. So for this sticker to appear from beginning to the end, you have to draw this arrow to the end of the video. Yes, it's time to save. You click on this AI Ultra HD, draw the frame rate to 60, resolution to 1080, and you click on save. Guys, follow and subscribe.